Hey everyone, today I'm going to keep this straightforward and teach you how to lose weight using ChatGPT. We're going to go with the intermittent fasting method, and I'm just going to enter some generic info here, and of course you can change this to fit your body. We're going to get to the basis here of what intermittent fasting is, and I could have went straight to prompting the meal plan, but I wanted to have it provide info on intermittent fasting before any of you try this weight loss method. So next we're going to ask it to create a meal plan for every day of the week. If you're a vegetarian, you can also change the prompt here to something like write me a meal plan for each day of the week for a vegetarian. Next, we can ask it to create a grocery list for us. As you can see here, it gives us a complete list, and I'm pretty sure you can ask it to provide how many of each thing you would need based on the meal plan that it provided. And last but not least, we're going to have it create a workout plan for us. In this example, I'm going to use a 3-day split, just for those of us who may not have the time to work out every day. That's it. Also, if you're unhappy with maybe one of the meals or just feel like not having what it recommended that day, you can have it change all the meals or just one. We'll use Tuesday's lunch for an example. can see, it also gives us the great benefits health-wise for this meal. You can also do this with the workouts as well. Here we're going to change Tuesday. Last amazing thing here is if you're someone who isn't familiar with a workout, you can ask it this. And look, not only does it explain the workout, but it's also telling us what area the workout is beneficial for. And there it is, a simple way to get out there and lose some weight without spending hundreds of dollars for a personal trainer or health coach. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to make sure you don't miss out any upcoming easy tutorials on how to use ChatGPT. See you guys on the next one.